this topic for your very important. Please like and subscribe to this channel and let's start the video. World Day Environment 2024 theme: Land Restoration, Desertification and Drought Resilience. Every year, World Environment Day focuses on a specific theme to highlight pressing environmental issues ranging from air pollution and plastic waste to energy conservation and sustainable consumption. In 2024, the theme is land restoration, desertification, and drought resilience with the slogan Our Land, Our Future. We are generation. Restoration. This theme underscores the critical importance of land restoration in global environmental efforts. Organizers aim to unite people worldwide in restoring ecosystem, emphasizing the pivotal role of healthy lands in securing a sustainable future for all. World Environment Day is crucial as it focuses attention on urgent environmental issues and encourages community participation in awareness camping and tree planting activities. It promotes reforestation, spread public awareness through events, and educates students with practical knowledge about planting trees. The day highlights necessary action to prevent environmental degradation, emphasizes the impact of global warming, and advocates for ending harmful exploitation by ensuring a healthier planet for future generations. World Environment Day reinforces the necessity of environmental protection for our survival. On World Environment Day, global participation in campaigns to raise awareness about environmental protection is evident. Each year, this day is celebrated with a specific theme and associated slogan that resonate worldwide, contributing to the success of the campaign. Organizations worldwide join hands to take small yet significant steps towards securing our future. In the end, World Environment Day aims to envision a world that is pristine, free from pollution, and with abundant natural resources. This global observance encourages actions such as banning plastic, increasing trees and plant cover, conserving water, recycling, and protecting wildlife. It emphasizes the importance of individual responsibility in maintaining clean and healthy surroundings by safeguarding natural resources and using them efficiently. We can collectively contribute to a beautiful and sustainable environment. Together, these efforts can create a thriving ecosystem for generations to come. In conclusion, World Environment Day annually reminds us of our collective duty to protect the planet, celebrating progress while compiling meaningful action to preserve nature for future generations. And this topic for your very important. Please like and subscribe to this channel for your helpful videos, latest update. Thanks for watching.